cause this ain't even.
Come on, over. You just got you for no, I don't know.
I don't know.
I want this before y'all.
What do you have it?
See how you be lying still? You just like we ain't your family.
I didn't even
Yeah.
understand that time.
We have a mic. I don't know how you pick. Oh, there's a mic.
Slow. Oh, bro, it's like this. Alright, look, y'all. Let's pull. The instruction said pull. Yeah. Bro, this is heavy for some cord.
What do you mean? That's not hard. But yeah.
Can't pull it so bad, bro.
Ooh, yeah.
Ew.
We have.
He got more stuff. Bro, he wants to be JD. I don't know if y'all know these YouTubers, bro. JD and whatever, bro. Fortnite
I
gamers.
don't know what this is.
Bro, these Fortnite gamers have mics like this, and they be like, what's good, y'all? What's good, best? Oh, they be like,
Oh, there's
you know,
something right here.
this is
Go ahead, good boy.
this is a highly expensive mic. Y'all all know. This little knucklehead right here loves gaming, bro. So,
Don't call me a knucklehead.
this is gonna be a lot of work.
I don't know.
Let's try this. Let's see if it actually works. So,
What
we're
is
the
wrong
instructions. No, bro, you know how I know some of my guinea pigs cage by myself, bro?
And
Alright.
do know you don't know how to set up a whole thing like this?
I do. So, boom.
It's already built.
Yeah, it's already built. You don't know. All you gotta do is this. So, what you gonna set it up in? Go get mama's PC. Get the PC.
I'm trying to ask Mama something.
Get the PC. You gonna see. Ooh, that y'all wrong. Get the PC. You gonna see. Cause they all have seeds in it. Get it?
No, but look. I don't.
So, okay, so this goes into the mic. Alright. So
That little small piece goes into the microphone, but I don't know what it goes in the mic.
Monty.
Hold on, just
What?
wait.
Look. I know what I'm doing. Now go get the computer. See, Monty's glitching, y'all.
Oh, you did it with his phone.
You know, so I'm gonna be talking in the mic too. So, alright, so you got the computer, y'all. Hey, go get my blue headphones.
Yo, what?
The blue headphones.
Go at round about
Alright.
9 o'clock.
And Monty's gonna do games, so this gonna go over there. I don't get my blue headphones.
What do you mean, Joe?
Oh my, yo, it actually works.
Let me see how it sounds.
It's not
Hey,
talking. It's not working right now. Mama, don't turn it up.
what's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up? Can y'all hear me?
Ma, we
Ma,
wanna get it working.
Ma, it's got something to do with this thing right
No,
here.
it
I don't
doesn't.
know what it is, though.
No, it's saying that it should be working. It sounds like it's just not.
Look at the
Hey, guys. Hey. What's up?
Ma,
Okay,
look
wait.
at the
Yeah,
instructions. It got something to do with this little small
let us
thing.
get it down pat.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright. Oh no, I know exactly why. No, I know.
What?
Yo. I know exactly why.
Where do we put this at?
What's our password? Oaks resident?
Yeah. I can do it for you, Ma. I know it by heart. I don't know why. It's capital O-A-K.
You need your hand in the microphone.
What?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh. Wait. Yo, hold on. So So listen, guys. So today we're gonna be. Oh my God! Buddy talk. Bro, talk. Just talk.
Hello.
What? All right. Wait.
Awesome. Mom.
Is it working?
Yeah, you have to.
And
So look,
also,
y'all. So you have to have the headphones in to listen to yourself.
brother, you
So
do
we're
know
trying to make all
also
the
that
way
you
up.
have a mustache, right?
No, it's not working.
Yeah, it worked. Oh my God.
Mom, it's working.
So it's
Listen.
like no. Bro, that's Mama C. Yeah.
It don't work outside of it.
No, it's supposed to work with the headphones on. That's why gamers have these on. So
And also we have a PC.
come here.
The PC's right there.
No,
And we have a mouse right here.
I don't like the fact that I can hear it in the headphones. I want to be able to hear it.
And also, I do not need Mama's thing no more because I went in the store and I got one of these things.
So
So I can
Yo.
record outside.
y'all let me know. Oh wait, let's put it on the camera. Let's
I
see.
wonder if I can hear it.
Yeah, that's
on
what I'm saying.
video.
Yeah,
And Mom,
we're
look.
gonna try it on video.
Look.
So
Also, I can record it outside, inside when y'all was not looking at practice. And now I can record like you guys. So yeah, we're just doing an unboxing, and we're just gonna unpack all of this later.
hey,
And hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. It was pretty short compared to other videos. It's kind of short. But also, hopefully,
in my life.
I'm not
So
also
guys,
turned 10 today.
I'm gonna come
And
over
also,
here. I'm gonna go to photos.
I am not 6 just because I sound like one.
Alright, and then I'm gonna go to.
I sound like that on
I'm gonna go
YouTube.
to photos. What am I
But
doing?
I don't sound like that. in
Okay,
real
so
life.
I'm gonna go to
Hopefully, you guys enjoyed that video.
this.
And I will be going back on Roblox. Probably with another account. I don't know.
Alright, and after that, I'm gonna type in
Yeah, we're just going to talk about it right here. Dude.
camera.